We're talking about different types of tires that you can purchase. So first off, let's talk about the simple ones that are less advantageous. So touring tires, most people are going to use those if they're driving a lot of highway miles. You're going to get higher mileage, less road noise. The traction is not going to be as good as like a winter tire or something like that. Okay, we've got performance tires. Those are mostly high-end cars. You know, you're going to put them on like a Mustang, things like that have a lot of power. Your other side is the summer tires. If you're switching summer to winter tires, you could do that, but I'm going to make another recommendation. So I think summer tires are kind of going obsolete unless you have a performance vehicle. The other best option is they used to have winter tires. They've taken those and made them into all-weather tires. Now, the all-weather tire is going to give you great traction all year round, and you don't have to rotate summer to winter tires anymore. You could just use those all year round. So that's going to be the best option if you drive back roads. You need really good traction like the winter tire is going to provide you, but now you can use them all year round. And then you've got your all-season tires that are just general traction. They're going to be less expensive, but they're still going to give you good traction if you're driving mostly highway in town where you don't need that great winter traction. That's a great option for you. And then you've got all-terrain tires, which are going to be for pickup trucks, things like that you want to be able to have great back road traction, but for more of a pickup truck that's got a little more beef to it, those will give you road noise a lot of times. So any questions on what kind of tires you should get, check us out here at Cars R Us in McChesney Park.
877-4277